Today I have some quick and fun decorating tips for your planner, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have 5 of my favorite decorating tips for you so you can struggle less as you decorate your planner and you will be happier with the outcome of the final spreads. I have a few examples from some of my older planners, so let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. The first tip is all about color. Now color and color choices, color mixes, the balance of color is very important, but don't forget about those neutrals because neutrals are just as important as the actual colors. As you can see on this TN insert on the cover, I've used a white doily. Now it's a little bit crumpled, but it acts as a base for all these other elements. It adds a softness to the mood. It really goes well with the feminine, delicate butterflies. Whereas on this spread, the neutrals are black and white. So they're adding contrast. They add a little bit of life and excitement to the page, whereas this one is a more calm feel. So you can see there's a completely different feel in these two spreads. And here we have butterflies and the black and white. And you can see again, it's a different feel. It's not quite as vibrant as this one, but it's not as calm as that one either. So play around with your neutrals. What mood do you want to convey? And your neutrals will help just as much as your colors will. Now on to number 2, don't worry about choosing your own style. By playing around and decorating on a regular basis, your style will reveal itself. So you can see my style has evolved. This is even older. And you can still see elements through the years of my style, but it's just changed over the years. And it took me a while for it to come out and to see actually what I like, how I like to decorate, and it's just with trial and error and play and having fun with it. If you're using kits and coordinated sticker packs or sticker books or anything like that, that is a great help because all of the design work, all of the mixing and matching is done for you, and then you can just play and use the things you like and your style will evolve. But for number 3, if you want to learn a little bit more of design, have a little Google. There's lots of things on the internet about design, but by mixing products, you have more control over what happens on your page. On this page, for example, I have lots of different products from lots of different places. This setup video from not too long ago, you see that I pull a lot of different things from a lot of different places. If you choose colors that are similar, all these gold elements come from different places. If you're choosing the same colors, the same types of elements, then things are going to match. It's going to be easier to design things. So with a little bit of trial and error and some fun and playing around, you can make pages that you wouldn't necessarily have made before with just using the same brand or the same sticker set or something that coordinates. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I am here every Sunday with videos for you to get organized and make your planner pretty. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, let's get back into it with number 4. Basic design principles can go a long way in making your planner look good. Maybe it's a bit overwhelming if you haven't looked at them before. There seems to be a lot and it can be tough to get a handle on it, but if you start with the basics and have a few of them in your back pocket, then your planners will look fantastic. Things like a visual triangle. Here I have visual triangle in these black elements, so there's 1, 2, 3, kind of a triangle this way. Also with the butterflies, there's a group of 2 here and then these 2, so it's a triangle here. Movement is another thing. You can see that this washi is moving you in this way. The butterflies are moving you up the page, so you're staying in the center where all the action is. Other things like alignment, scale, balance, all those things are really important. Balance is quite easy to figure out if your page is balanced once you kind of get an idea of how to do that. If you turn your page and nothing jumps out at you in any direction, then you know that your page is balanced. I have a lot more information on my stickers, do's and don'ts video, so I will link that right up here and also in the description below. So you can go check that out to get a little bit more information on the design elements. Okay, number 1 is my absolute favorite, and that is to have fun and do what's fun for you. I had so much fun. This is probably the last time I decorated because since I've decorated this, I've had COVID, I've had bronchitis, I've had delays, and just everything dumped to my lap. So I really haven't had a chance to sit down and decorate. But before all that happened, I did this. I had so much fun. I just pulled colors and elements and stickers and papers and things that really excited me and made me just made me smile. I just had fun with it and I'm really happy with how it came out. Of course, when you do that, sometimes it's not going to work out. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You have next week's spread to try again, to try something different. If you're not happy with your decorating, if you think that you can evolve and learn a little bit more, the only way to do that, the only way to learn and grow is to actually do it. And to fail, in air quotes, because there's no real failure. There's just learning from mistakes and things that maybe you don't want to do again. So take each failure with a grain of salt, learn from it, and evolve from there. I do have more planner decorating tips in another video, which I will link up right here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I recently got some amazing TNs. I'll give you a little sneak peek right here. So next week I'll be back with an unboxing of those. They're amazing. I'm so excited. So you definitely want to come back. So if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. If you made it this far, leave me a butterfly emoji in the comments below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.